We have the derivative. We can find f of x by finding the indefinite integral. So it's the indefinite integral of all that stuff up there. Here, I'll write it out. So it's 5 over x squared minus x squared over 5. And so we can go term by term. This is 5x to the negative second. When you find an antiderivative, the power goes up. So the antiderivative should be negative 5x to the negative first, because negative 2 plus 1 makes negative 1. And you can check, because the derivative would turn back into this. And over here, we have a power of 2, so the power is going to go up. But if we were to take a derivative, that wouldn't turn back into the same thing. So that's why I'm going to multiply the bottom by 3. Because now if you take a derivative, the 3 would come down, and 3/15 is 1 over 5, and then the power reduces by 1. And then there's an arbitrary constant c, because I did an indefinite integral. And so that's why they gave us this initial value information. They told us that if you plug in 1 in for x, you get out 0 for that part I just circled. So if I plug in 1 in for x, I'm going to make that whole equation equal 0. And if I solve that equation for c, I get, this is negative 5. So you can add that 5 to both sides and then subtract 1/15. So I get 5 subtracted by 1/15. So 5 times 15, that's 75. 74 over 15 for c. So putting that all together, our f of x is all this stuff. And then we just found out that c is equal to plus 74 over 15. So that's what you'd enter for an answer, all this stuff. Whoops, when I was reviewing the video, I caught a mistake. This should be a minus. Copied down the wrong symbol, so we should be adding that to both sides. So that'd be 76 over 15.